Tonight, we are making pot roast with potatoes and carrots. Ingredients for pounds chuck roast. 4 tablespoons olive oil, divided. 2 cups beef bone broth regular or organic. 1 pound of red baby potatoes. 1½ cups of baby carrots. 1 medium onion chopped. 1 packet of dry onion soup mix. 2½ tablespoons cornstarch. 1½ teaspoons garlic powder. Ground black pepper and salt to taste. Sear the meat. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the Instant Pot set to sauté mode. Brown the roast on all sides for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Add the bone broth. Pour in the beef bone broth. Add in your baby carrots. Add in the red baby potatoes. Pour in the 2 packs of onion soup mix. Add in the remaining olive oil. Add in your chopped onions. Pressure cook. Secure the lid, set to high pressure and cook for 60 minutes. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for pressure buildup. Quick release. Carefully release the pressure using the quick release method. Make the gravy. Remove the roast and vegetables. Turn on sauté mode. Bring drippings to a boil and stir in cornstarch and water mixture. Cook until thickened 2 to 3 minutes. Serve. Season gravy with garlic, salt and pepper. Slice the roast and serve with vegetables and gravy.